gonna pour a lot of slime on you. Some is out. Let's see what it looks like. It's golden. It's golden pineapple for a reason. The reason why it's colored like this is because it's golden. Literally golden pineapple is the best name for it. What would you name this? Comment down below and I might even get that name. Continue.